In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy over just select content from the lecture master course. So maybe you don't want to copy over the entire master course. Maybe you want to copy an old course of yours or a colleague's course, or maybe you've already copied it and changes have been made so that you want to copy some of the new stuff. So I'm going to go through how to do that. What you're going to want to do, I'm going to do this in my Chem 162 course, because I fall under the category of copying it early before some important changes were made. Actually, let me go back to the lecture master just to show what exactly we need everybody to copy first. So there are two non-negotiables that everybody needs to have in their courses. And the first one is under modules, which is also the home page of this course. And that is the SmartWork links and Lab Canvas link page. So the ebook and registration link are for you and your students to sign up for SmartWork. These are directions for how to do that. And then this link will take you and your students to the Lab Master course. And so they'll need to do that to access the lab materials. So that's one of the non-negotiables. The other non-negotiable is under assignments. And what you're going to need to do is copy over this online homework group. And this is going to link to the default, Western-made assignments for chapters, whatever chapters you have that you're teaching in your course. This is 162, so it's 8 through 13. And these are Western curated assignments. They're not just the basic ones from SmartWork 5. These were ones that the committee developed to align best with our curriculum. But after you copy them over, you can change them however you want. For example, I'm going to make weekly homework assignments, and so they're not necessarily going to be aligned chapter by chapter, depending on our pacing. So, but having all of these in my course is going to allow me to have a starting point to do that. Once I have made and updated my homework assignments, I'm going to go ahead and publish them, but they're all non-published in the master course. So those are the two non-negotiables. You might also want to put the pre-labs and labs assignments on your course just because, well, you're going to have to make them yourself if you don't copy them over. Because you need those columns in the gradebook. The real lab assignments are going to be on the lab master, but you need the infrastructure in your Canvas. You need the assignments listed in the lecture course in order to show up in their gradebook. So let's go back to the dashboard. And I'm going to go to my course now. And I don't have that SmartWork module, nor do I have the updated online homework assignments. So I'm going to go ahead and click Settings and Import Course Content. And I'm going to select Copy a Canvas course. And this is going to seem scary. So if I go ahead and select all content, I will lose everything that I've done in my course, and everything will go out the window, and the new course will be there instead. And if you're starting from scratch, that's what you want to do. I have a video just how to do that. But if you only want specific content, if you've already started working on your course, which is the case for me, then you're going to click that, and you're going to click Import. Oh, I need to find the course, sorry. So I'm going to click in Master, type in Master, and I'm going to find 162 Lecture Master. Select specific content, and I'm going to ignore the adjust events and due dates. That's not worked for me very well in the past. So now I click Upload, and now I'm going to click Select Content. So here's where I select everything. So the first non-negotiable was this module. Now it's going to copy all the modules over for me, and that's okay. I can delete the ones that I don't want later. And assignments. So I'm going to select that content. Everything else should be the same, should stay in my course. So I'm going to do that. And it's running, so you can see that little bar working. Okay, and it's completed. So now I'm going to go to those two places, modules and assignments, and see if they're there. I'm going to go to modules, and here's all the same modules from the lecture course with the instructor guidelines and everything. And here now is the SmartWork links and Canvas, Lab Canvas link. And I'm actually going to move this to the top. Somewhere around here. Okay. And then I'm going to go to assignments. And it looks like it's merged the assignments from the lecture course with assignments that I had prematurely made in my Canvas course. So I just made these assignment shells thinking that I would link to them manually, but it's easier for me to just copy. So I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of these. Delete. So I'll go ahead and delete these, and then I'll have all the SmartWork 5 assignments, and I will modify those as I need to and set the deadlines for those online homeworks so that they'll get on my student calendar. And it looks like the pre-labs, same thing happened because I prematurely put all this in manually. So the lesson is, if you're going to select specific content to copy over, then you're going to have to go in and delete any duplicate things after you've done that. But that's how to import select content into your course.